Today, we're demonstrating how to install Cloudform acoustic ceiling tiles and lighting using a grouping frame assembly. So this installation here is using the grouping frame system, and we'll be using the grouping frame hooks. One thing I'd just like to show on this is, first of all, your pattern will depend on the layout that you're going to have. And when we're measuring out these grouping frames, they're actually 4 foot, exactly 4 foot apart, okay? So it's a 4x4 module, okay? The holes on the grouping frame are 2-inch increments, so you can actually create a larger gap between panels if you're desired to do that. The intersection of the grouping frame is the center of the shape. So that's why we have these tails sticking out here, so it'd be able to catch the other grouping frame hook. If you notice, the aircraft cable is right behind the 90-degree bracket. Just pull the bottom to raise it. And then I just coiled the bottom, all the wires, just in case someone wants to change the height. If you cut them, you have to replace the wires. So if you coil them up, it may save you a little bit of a headache later. So this is one of the actual lights that we're going to be installing. If you look at the back side, it's got the grouping hooks on the back side, identical to a panel. And we are going to raise this up and then spin it. And it just rests on the grid like that.